Before you watch this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. This will help us from make more informative videos. In this video we are going to see Belimo 22 at 186 model Air Differential Pressure Sensor complete technical datas. Differential pressure transmitter with 8 selectable ranges and outputs 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamps. For monitoring the differential pressure of air and other non-flammable and non-aggressive gases. Typical application in HVAC systems for monitoring air filters, fans, V-belts, as well as the use in pressure differential systems. Options available with LCD display. Operating controls and indicators. Display depending on the device and the number of measured values. The display automatically scales. Parameters, such as the fading in or out of measured values, brightness and traffic light function, are changed via the app or bus system. During the boot process, the software and hardware versions are displayed. 1 fault or sensor failure, 2 service or visual inspection due, 3 TLF, traffic light function, active, thresholds for display color changes, 4 are radioactive, not available, 5 status bar. 6 measured value, appears when TLF function is activated for this value, 7 unit of measure, 8 measured value. Technical specification data, electrical data, nominal voltage is AC or DC 24 volt, nominal voltage range island AC 19 to 29 volt or DC 15 to 35 volt, power consumption is AC 1.7 VA. Power consumption DC 1.1 watts, electrical connection, pluggable spring-loaded terminal block maximum 2.5 A squared, cable entry, cable gland with strain relief 8-6 to 8 mm. Functional data, sensor technology is piezo measuring element, application is air, multi-ranges 8 measuring ranges selectable. Voltage output is 1 into 0 to 5 volt or 0 to 10 volt, when minimum load 10 kilo-ohm, current output is 1 into 4 to 20 milliamps, when maximum load 500 ohm, output signal active note is output 0 to 5 or 10 volt selectable with switch, display LCD size is 29 into 35 mm with backlight, measured values is Pascal, inch WC. Parameterizable, response time is adjustable 0.8 seconds or 4.0 seconds. Measuring data, measured values is differential pressure, measuring fluid is air and non-aggressive gases. Measuring range settings pressure, here you are seeing the Pascal measuring range from S0 to S1 settings. Accuracy pressure, deviation compared to the reference device, measuring range is lesser than 2000 Pascal means pulse or minus 10 Pascal, measuring range is greater than 2000 Pascal means pulse or minus 25 Pascal, long-term stability is pulse or minus 2.5% FSO that is, full-scale output, for 4 years. Materials data, cable gland is PA6. Black, housing cover is PC, orange, bottom, PC, orange, seal, NBR 70, black UV resistant, weight, 0.38 kilograms. Mode of operation is type 1, pollution degree is 3, rated impulse voltage supply is 0.8 kilovolts, construction, independently mounted control, wiring data. When switching from 0 to 10 volt to 0 to 5 volt output voltage also the current will be adjusted from 4 to 20 milliamps to 4 to 12 milliamps. For the sensor to function properly, polarity must be observed with a DC supply as well as an AC supply. If the AC supply is connected incorrectly, That is, if the wires are reversed, this can lead to the destruction of the sensor. Service tools. Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant Tap. Type is Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant Tap. Bluetooth dongle for Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant Tap. Type is A22GA05. Service tools connection. This sensor can be operated and parameterized using the Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant Tap. When using the Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant Tap, the Bluetooth dongle is required to enable communication between the app and the Belimo sensor. For the standard operation and parameterization of the sensor, the Bluetooth dongle and the Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant app are not needed. The sensor will arrive pre-configured with the factory default settings shown above. Requirement: Bluetooth dongle, Bluetooth-capable smartphone, Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant app, Google Play and Apple App Store. Procedure: plug the Bluetooth dongle into the sensor via the micro USB connector or by means of the interface PCB. Connect Bluetooth-capable smartphone with Bluetooth dongle. Select parameterization in the Belimo Duct Sensor Assistant app. Safety notes: this device has been designed for use in stationary heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems and must not be used outside the specified field of application. Unauthorized modifications are prohibited. The product must not be used in relation with any equipment that in case of a failure may threaten humans, animals or assets. Ensure all power is disconnected before installing. Do not connect to live or operating equipment. Only authorized specialists may carry out installation. All applicable legal or institutional installation regulations must be complied during installation. The device contains electrical and electronic components and must not be disposed of as household refuse. All locally valid regulations and requirements must be observed. Remarks: automated zero-point calibration, Auto Zero. Transmitters equipped with the Auto Zero calibration are maintenance-free. The Auto Zero calibration electronically adjusts the transmitter zero every 10 minutes. The function eliminates all output signal drift due to thermal, electronic or mechanical effects. The Auto Zero adjustment takes approximately 4 seconds, after which the device returns to its normal measuring mode. During the 4-second adjustment period, the output and display values will freeze to the latest measured value. Manual zero-point calibration. In normal operation, zero-point calibration should be executed every 12 months. Attention! For executing zero-point calibration, the power supply must be connected 1 hour before. Release both connection tubes from the pressure terminals pulse and minus. Press the button until the LED lights permanently. Wait until the LED flashes again and reinstall the connection tubes to the pressure ports. Note pulse and minus. Scope of delivery. Mounting plate L housing. Type is A22D810, duct connector kit, PVC tube 2 meters, 2 connection elements, plastic, 4, 22 AD, type is A22AP08, dowel, screws. Accessories. Optional accessories. Duct connector, metal, L 40 mm, tube connection 5 mm, type is A22AP02, duct connector, metal, L 100 mm, tube connection 5 mm, type is A22AP04, connection adapter, M20 into 1.5, for cable 1 into 6 mm, multi-pack 10 pieces, type is A22GA01.1. Safety data, protection class ICANN, 3, safety extra low voltage, self, power source UL, class 2 supply, EU conformity, SMARCing, degree of protection ICANN, IP65 degree of protection NEMA/UL, NEMA 4X, enclosure, UL enclosure type 4X, quality standard is ISO 9001, environmental data. Ambient humidity is maximum 95% RH, non-condensing. Ambient temperature is -10 to +50 degrees Celsius, 15 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Fluid temperature is -10 to +50 degrees Celsius, 15 to 120 degree Fahrenheit. We hope this video is helpful to you. If you think our video is useful, please like and share. Do you have any questions about this video? Please comment. Thank you for watching. We will meet in another good video.